Solve 6 to the 2x minus 1 power equals the cube root of 6 squared. And this is what's known as an exponential equation, right? Because we see that the variable that we want to solve for is in the exponent of these two terms. Okay, so how are we going to solve for x? Okay, there's a couple ways to do this, but hopefully you're looking at this and you're realizing a couple things, right? Okay, I see a 6 here, but on the other side there's also a 6, right? Now this is what's known as a radical expression, but we can certainly convert this into an exponential expression, right? Okay, so this is the cube root of 6 squared is just going to equal 6 to the 2/3 power. But notice what we have on the other side, right? We have 6 to the 2x minus 1 power. Well, wait a minute. I have two sides of an equation where they have the same base, right? So once the bases are the same, right, we know then that the exponents have to equal each other. Okay, this is called the one-to-one property. Okay, so I mean both sides are assumed to be equal here. So if the bases are the same, then the exponents must be the same. So that's the equation that we can write. We can write that 2x minus 1, the exponent of the left side, must equal the exponent of the right side, which is in this case 2/3. Right, so now we should be able to solve this guy for x. Okay, so if we add the 1 to both sides, right, notice what happens here. We do end up with a fraction, which is okay. Okay, so 2/3, let's just do that on the side here, plus 1 is 2/3 plus 3/3, right? That gives us 5/3. Now in this case, I'm going to multiply both sides by 1/2. Remember, multiplying by 1/2 is the same as dividing by 2, but I see the fraction here, so I'm just going to do that way. We know that these cancel out, so I end up with x equals, and the other side I get 5/6 as the final answer. So remember, this is the solution. If x is equal to 5/6 and you plug it in here and you do all the math, then both sides will be equal to each other.